Alright, when your fiberglass is like dry to the touch, really, I already drilled my hole. You want to get your excess and use your razor blade and cut it off. Gives it a little bit more of a cleaner look. There you go. Get your excess strands off just using a razor blade. It's pretty simple. And when it dries the rest of the way, I'll be back and I'll show you how to clean this off. And then we're going to apply a long strand tiger hair to it so it reinforces it a little bit more. Now, when you go to sand your cloth, you want to get yourself a nice dust mask, piece of 40 grit or 36, and rough it up for tiger hair. This stuff just sands the same. You know, if you want to, you could go get yourself your little mini DA or regular DA and have it fill in here. That won't really work. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I want this fiberglass to look like basically this here. So I'm going to have to be doing a lot of shaping and smoothing. So what I'm going to tell you now is what you're going to be doing is you're going to sand this down with the 40. And I'd probably give it a coat of the either you can body filler or I will go with short strand tiger hair since it's a little bit easier sand, so it comes up a little bit more cleaner. And keep raising your scratch pad until it's smooth and can't be seen. Maybe 2 coats of primer surfacer if you want. So there you have it, people. Here's your fiberglass repair from start to finish. And if you're wondering why didn't you put a cloth behind the back of it, well, let me show you. I already had last night mixed up my special 4-part epoxy and it was already back here. So, and this shit's pretty beef too. I hooked. It's what's holding the custom grill. I even gave it a stress test too. I dropped it from my roof and the shit's pretty strong. It didn't even crack. So there we go. It's repair. Nice and done. Ready to go. Now I gotta get the finish sanding this. So that's the video for today, everybody. Hope you liked it. Seasons must change, separate paths, separate ways.